in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. Today's unit goes by the name of Coastal Chic YTHD Lace Bohemian Style Lob Wig. If you don't know, a lob wig is basically a bob style type of wig, except for it's a little bit longer in the front. The cap construction of this unit has 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. When it comes to the parting, this is a wide T, so instead of your standard T-part wig, it's a little bit thicker within width. This is what she looks like after I've shampooed, conditioned, and then let her air dry overnight. Now, I will say, I like these waves a lot more than how I liked them when it first came out of the box. When I first took this unit out of the box, the waves were a lot tighter, and I don't know, to me I was just like, I don't know if I'm gonna really like this. But after I again washed her and then let it air dry overnight, I like these a lot more. I think because it's a little bit looser. The way this unit air dried is the way this unit is being portrayed online, so I'm saying that just in case you do choose to pick up this unit, don't be alarmed if you see tighter curls. Just, you know, shampoo, condition, and then let her air dry overnight, and boom, you got your unit. This unit does come in only one length and color, and that is a natural black and 12 inches. If you guys can hear that little bit of background noise, it is trying to like rain, sleet, and snow here. So I'm gonna take that as my sign to install this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit. Hopefully it would have chilled out by then.
Hey. Yo. Yeah. Leaving me, dripping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess. Quickly learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, text it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody, yeah. Guess I'm hurting, guess I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Guess I'm hurting, guess I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Gorgius. When it comes to the lob styling, I can't lie, I was a little bit afraid to try it, thinking that it wasn't going to look too good on me, but my mind has changed. With the way that this unit is styled, it's giving me she's chic, she's put together, she's business oriented, but she also knows how to have a good time. The hair is super soft and it's holding a curl very well, but granted I expected it to do so, seeing as how it is 100% human hair. Although I did like how the unit looked in its natural state, I did decide to go in with this waver and kind of define the waves a little bit more, and I feel like this was a game changer. I've used this waver on another Gorgius unit before, and I felt the same way I felt felt about that unit with this unit, this waver really did up it for me. I'm noticing that I like more voluminous waves whenever it comes to water wave hair. The density of this unit isn't stated on the website, but I would say she's about 150% density. She gives off a very full appearance, but she's actually very lightweight. If you've been watching the video in its entirety, then you would know that this unit is 100% completely glueless right now. There is no gel, no spray, no glue, no nothing holding her down right now. So therefore my hairline is completely protected. I was going to attempt to add some baby hairs, but then I just figured let me just leave my edges out because I feel like it'll give the hairline a more realistic look. Speaking of natural hairlines, I did decide to go in and try to give this unit a little widow's peak. I have a widow's peak naturally, so I was like, let me just see if I can add one to this unit. I feel like I did a pretty good job. It's not overly exaggerated, but you can definitely tell it's there. I'm not really sure how it's picking up on camera, but in person, it's there. When it comes to the fit of this unit, I would say that she's about average head friendly. Now, she's not squeezing my head or anything like that. She's sitting pretty comfortably, but in comparison to the last Gorgius unit that I reviewed, that one had a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of stretch. So therefore, in comparison, this one would just give me more so average head sizing friendly. When it comes to the texture of this unit, I would consider her a silky unit. Now, to me, this unit seems a little bit more shiny than past units that I've had from Gorgius. And honestly, it just almost seems like some of that, what's it called? I want to say it's the Adore Clear was like put on this. Now, it's not bad. It's giving off a slightly healthy sheen, but it's just like a teeny bit too shiny for my liking. So what I would do is probably just add a little bit of dry shampoo to it just to dull that shine down just a little bit. Something I would say keep an eye out for is shedding. Now, in comparison to other units that I've reviewed from Gorgius, I would say that this unit has shed the most. While I was washing the unit, I did have quite a few strands come out, and then when I put it on my mannequin head to brush through the unit, I also had more strands come out. Now, obviously, it didn't bald the unit or anything like that, but I would say just keep an eye out for it. Also, something I want to say, and this could be an unpopular opinion, but wigs are gonna shed. I mean, if we really think about it, the hair on our own head sheds, so of course a wig is going to shed. But anywho, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Gorgius.com, this unit does retail for $159.90, $160 basically. But if you use my code TAN25, it can save you, I want to say around $40 off. So that'll bring the total down to about $120. If you are someone who's not in the business of paying that all up front at one time, they do offer Klarna and Afterpay, which means you can split your payments up into 4 equal payments over the span of 6 weeks, which would average out to about, I want to say, $30 each. And no, they don't ever tell me to tell you guys any of this. I'm just letting you guys know because I know for me personally, if I see Klarna or Afterpay, I'm gonna use one of them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I feel like she's very pretty. Definitely can be worn on a casual day or for a special occasion time. I mean, I guess it just depends on who you are. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.